Welcome. If you want to enjoy Roblox in your preferred language, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change the display language on the Roblox website using your PC. Whether you're new to Roblox or just want to explore a new language, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click on it. This opens a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. This will take you directly to your account settings page, where you can manage all your personal info. Inside the settings, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Make sure you're on the Account Info tab. If you're not there already, just click it to bring up your account details. Now, scroll down the page until you reach the Personal section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Language. Click on this menu to see all the available language options. Roblox supports over 40 languages, so you're likely to find the one you need. Simply select your preferred language from the list. After you've chosen your language, the page should reload automatically, and you'll see Roblox displayed in your new language. If the page doesn't refresh right away, look for a Save button at the bottom of the section and click it to apply your changes. And that's it. Your Roblox experience will now be in the language you selected. If your chosen language isn't available, check back later, as Roblox regularly adds new language support. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're ready to explore Roblox in the language that suits you best.